Hi guys, welcome to the Midale Public Library at-home kitchen. Have you guys been struggling with fruit flies in your house? I know I have, so I'm here to show you a super simple trick to trap those flies and get them out of your house. All you need is a disposable cup. I have used an empty yogurt container will work, an elastic band, saran wrap, a fork, and a banana peel or some kind of food waste that will smell really attractive to the fruit flies. So go ahead and put the banana peel inside the cup. Yep. We're going to cover it with our saran wrap. Hold it nice and snug. Put the elastic band around it. Good job. Make sure it's pulled taut and then poke maybe twice. There. The fruit flies will fly into the holes, be attracted by the bananas, and they can't get out again. I hope that helps you guys get rid of the fruit flies in your house. Join us again. Bye.